Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Today, going to refurbish this bathroom. It's in a lower basement area. Has a, looks like 2 or 3 people whirlpool tub, hot tub per se. Flooring needs to be done. Somebody knocked in a piece of sheetrock under here, checking something, plumbing or something. Anyway, I'm gonna close that, seal that off. Seal this off. This looked like it had an access panel on it. Not sure where that would be. So I guess it was that piece of sheetrock there, but that's not. That doesn't look good. So we're just gonna seal it off. The house is going to be sold, so somebody needs access. They can cut their own access ports. Then I'm gonna put flooring down in here. Paint this room, fix these little holes in the wall, stuff like that, so it look nice. So let me get started. First thing I'm gonna do is remove this little base with this tool here, working it off. The nails loose, so I can get the sheetrock in here the way it needs to be. Cut the sheetrock to be a tight fit. Put a couple of sheetrock screws around the borders of it. Sheetrock is extremely rigid, so it doesn't bow that much, and it's sit flat. A few screws hold it in. Cut this hole here. Press this so tight against that edge that I may not even have to caulk that. Just paint that in, but I'll probably put a small bead of caulk on it. Not as ugly, as sloppy as they did there. Just a small bead. Put some joint tape on this crack. I point joint compound, then I lay the tape. Then you run your putty knife up the tape so that it eases some out, gets on the edge of the tape. Then you put a little more on there. If you got a fat putty knife like this, push a little bit of pressure on the edge, ride it up. You have a nice, pretty smooth thing like that. Then I do the same on this side, ride it up on the edge, press it hard on the opposite side. Pretty smooth. If you see a little edge like that, you could go over it real lightly with a thinner putty knife, or just feather that with some sheetrock sandpaper. You won't see that edge. Paint it. It'll look great. So I'm going to go ahead and finish pulling up this carpet border from around the floor. Clean all this up. And then I'm going to pull a couple things off the wall. Putty up all these little holes around the wall. And then paint this room. Pull this weather stripping stuff off of here too. Buyers don't want to see that. That's ugly. Paint this bathroom. I can see where somebody had some substandard sheetrock work, but we had a toothbrush holder here, soap dish dispenser there. I don't think we're going to put that back up. So I pulled that stuff out. It left a hole where the anchors were. Take a screwdriver handle or something roundish, push it on there, and make that a round dent. Same here. I pull anchors out of there. I'm going to push on there, make a round dent. Then it's going to be easy for me to pull all these little plastic anchors out. Then it's going to be easy for me to spackle over these. So the next person have a clean shot. See, nice smooth dent there. Did the same thing up here. Pull some big anchors out of the wall. And I'm going to do a little putty on each and every little hole on here. Scrape these other areas smooth. Get a broom, clean off the cobwebs. That's a bigger hole there. I'm going to spackle that. Spackle all these little holes. This mirror will come down 2-3 minutes. I'm going to pull those screws out, pull the mirror down, put it back up after I paint it. Somebody else painted with the mirror up there. So that's going to need to be cleaned off. Just don't be lazy. Take your switch plate covers off. One screw takes about 15 seconds. Take it off, put a piece of tape over there. You can roll right around it. Nice, quick, and easy. Ain't got to worry about it looking cruddy. And if you got some that are outdated or look bad, man, the brand new plastic ones cost about 15 cents a piece. Just go buy new ones. But you do want to take them off before you paint, so you can paint behind the crevices of it. I'm going to pull that toilet up. You close the valve. You take the 2 bolts loose on the bottom. You flush the toilet. And then you just disconnect the bottom of the tank with those 2 bolts out of the bottom of the toilet, one on each side. You slowly lift the toilet up, rocking it back and forth a little bit. It'll break the seal. Set the toilet out of the way so you can paint behind the toilet. No need to get a bunch of paint on the toilet. I undid the supply line, took the bolts off the side of the toilet, lifted the toilet up. But you need to put something over that drain so sewage gases don't fill up your environment. This stuff is poisonous. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.